Alright, so what we're going to show you today is how to unpack the Pride Go Chair portable unit by Pride Mobility. This will come to your location on a pallet. We went ahead and took it off the pallet. Typically there'll be a couple straps that are here as well, but those were already cut. You can use a pair of scissors, or we have a pair of nippers that we use. Once you get it off the pallet and cut your straps, this is what it's going to look like. First thing you do is you remove the top cardboard box. Once you remove the cardboard box, up top, on this top piece of styrofoam, you will have taped to it your owner's manual. Right here. Set that aside. In that owner's manual, you do have an Allen key that will be used for some adjustments in here later, so that isn't with your owner's manual. Once you open it up, this is what the inside of your box will look like. You want to come look over here. You can see what it looks like inside. Everything is nice and packed well. You can start removing some of the parts. First part you can remove, seat post. Set it to the side. Your shroud inserts, if the shrouds are in stock, the color that you want, they will be in here. Sometimes they're not in stock. They'll ship the unit and they'll ship you your shrouds separate. And then from here you also have your joystick already mounted to the post. Set this to the side. And then lastly in this front compartment you have is the charger. Next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove the arms. You might as well go ahead and take the plastic off of them now. Set your arms to the side. And then you have your seat that from here you should be able to lift the seat and pull it up out of the box. Take your seat, set it to the side. The rest of the cardboard you can just pull out. Once all the rest of the cardboard is done and pulled out, this box will actually lift up and your base is sitting inside like that. Remove the plastic that's over the whole unit. And then two things you can do. If you're by yourself, you can break this down, or if you have somebody that can help you, you can put it in neutral. Just lift it out of the foam. To the side. We have other videos as well that show you how to break down the whole unit. From here you can take your battery pack off because you want to insert your seat post. You have two pieces of foam that were sitting underneath the battery, so that wasn't making a connection, so there was no actual power to the chair. Unwrap the seat post. Now this seat post has two different holes in it. It's an inch difference, so it just depends on how high you want to sit. Seat to ground height. Take your plastic off, take your post out. On this post, you have notches, every 45 degrees, and then you have two in the back. The two notches in the back are going to face the rear of the scooter. So when you put this in, you want to make sure that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 notches are going to be facing towards the front. Okay. Once you have your seat post on, you can take your battery pack, drop it back onto the base. When you're going to install the seat, if you look underneath, you have storage compartments. When you drop the seat on or when you take the seat off, you have to move these storage compartments out of the way. So if you're sitting in the seat, you're going to pull up and then pull away, and then you'll have access to your seat post. So you do need to have those compartments swung away when you put your seat on, otherwise they'll be in the way and it will not drop onto the seat post. Put it all the way down until it does not rotate. Snap your battery boxes back together. Then you're going to want to install your arms. You have one on each side. These slide into the back of the chair. You have these set screws that you can twist to tighten to take away the play, and you have a safety pin in there as well. So you put your arms in, put your safety pins in, and then tighten this screw. What that's going to do is it's going to take away your wobble on this arm. From here, drop the top of the armrest in, and then you have an Allen key that's with your manual, so it's going to use to adjust the height and also the wiggle of this arm. Allen key is located in there with the manual. Right here, you have a little Allen key on the side of the arm. So whatever height you want it at, you're going to sit there and you're going to twist this. You want to keep going until it tightens all the way up. And you'll see here in a second, now it's tight. Now the arm is not wiggling anymore. Do the same for the other side. Pull your safety pin out, slide the arm in, put your safety pin back in, and then tighten the arm. Make sure there's no play. From here, you're going to drop your other arm in, and tighten this set screw up. The first time you go to tighten these set screws, it will be tight. After that, it loosens up. Once you have your set screws in, next thing you're going to do is take your joystick. Joystick can go on the right or the left-hand side. So 97% of people are right-handed, so we'll install this on the right-hand side. If you actually flip the arm up and you look underneath the arm, you got this cuff link here. You're going to take your joystick post, slide it in there to the desired length that you want. So it's adjustable for all different length of people's arms. Once you think you have it where you want it set, tighten that screw up, that set screw up as well, and that holds that in place. From here, you're going to take your cable, you're going to run it on the inside of your arm, and you're going to plug it in down here into the base. In the base, you'll have a matching cable. Plug it in. If you put this chair in neutral, like right now it's in neutral so I can push it around. The chair will not drive when it's in neutral. So a lot of people, it's not like putting it in neutral or putting it into the drive mode in a vehicle. You do have a locked system on here. Locked just means you're engaging your electromagnetic brakes so that you can actually drive the chair. You'll hear them click and unclick when you begin to accelerate or you begin to decelerate when they engage or they disengage. So you do want to always make sure these are in the locked position. Turn your unit on. And the last thing you can do is install your shrouds. Now since I have this one here, I'll go ahead and put these shrouds on. They come in a bunch of different colors. The shrouds that I got were blue. Typically it's easier to install them when the seat is off. Take all your shrouds out. So these shrouds are going to go in the rear of the unit. You have plastic notches that you're going to insert in, and then you push down and you'll feel them click. Slide it in, push down. Same with your battery box. You can do it with this on. It just makes it easier to do it when it is off of the unit. So, see. If you have your seat off, it's a whole lot easier, but you can do it without. So once you have all your shrouds in, this is what it will look like. You have 6 total shrouds on there, come in a bunch of different colors. It's a fantastic unit. It's a 300-pound capacity. The unit breaks apart. The heaviest piece is 36 pounds. It's just a wonderful unit to travel. And you get about 10 miles on a full charge. So give us a call if you have any questions.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.